Dr. Phil's Plumbing, your trusted experts for both residential and commercial plumbing. Services provided include sewer and drain services, video inspection, leak detection, sewer repair, sewer replacement, new sewer install, water service connections, radiant systems, boilers, pump installations, pump repairs, water heaters, both tank and tankless, toilets, sinks, faucets, shower valves, garbage disposals, water filtration units, water supply piping, water distribution piping, and finally, both waste and vent piping. Dr. Phil's Plumbing handles it all with fast, reliable service. Call today and get the job done right.